Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tax Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually refund games on Steam. Now it's a very easy process, let's get straight into it. Now let's say you bought a game by accident and you want to refund it. Now all you have to do is go to your Steam account, log into Steam and go to help right here. Now from there you go to Steam support, and what you will do next is here you see all your recently bought products. Now if the game is here that you want to refund, you can simply press it, and if it isn't there you simply go to purchases right here. But for me it's Black Desert, so simply go down to the game, and once you're inside the game, here you go to I purchased this by accident. And once you press this, choose a option. So simply go down and I'd like to request a refund. And from here you can scroll down, and here you see the total that will be refunded. And here you can tell us why. Now you don't have to really submit this. All you have to do is submit request, and that's it. Now it's very important to note that this only works when you've purchased the item in between now and 14 days. So it's only works when the purchase is 14 days old, or if you haven't played the game for more than half an hour. That's very important. Now if you still get any questions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.